Good morning, everyone. We are going to discuss an assignment of DLD in which we are going to explain D-latch and D flip-flop circuits. D-latch circuits. D-latch circuits are called delay latch because it's a delay in the flow of current. In D flip-flop circuits, it's called edge-triggered delay flip-flop because it's edge-triggered. In D-latch circuits, it's level triggered. In flip-flop, it's edge triggered. Output can be changed state as long as CLK is active, that is 1. Output can be only changed at specific CLK edge. It's made with a gated SR latch with an inverter. It's about D-latch circuit that it's made with a gated SR latch with an inverter. And the D flip-flop circuit, it is built in a 2 latches configuration, that is master slave flip-flop. Uses of D-latch circuits and uses of flip-flop circuits. In D-latch circuits are used in asynchronous system. In flip-flop are used in synchronous sequential systems. Example, register in microprocessors. It is the block diagram of D-latch circuit and it is a block diagram of D flip-flop circuit. Here is its configuration, that how the flow is passed and the other thing. This is the Proteus stimulation. It is the second Proteus stimulation circuit explanation. Master latch. First, SR latch receives primary input S and R and CLK signals directly. It is the first SR latch. Here, let me show you this SR latch. Now second, slave latch. The second latch receives its inputs from master's output and the inverted CLK signal via a inverter through inverter. It is the second latch here. Now the third explanation, operation principle. Because the CLK signals to master and is inverted before it reaches the slave, and at that time only one latch is active, that is 1 at all time. The fourth explanation, the master part samples the slave, passes master's output to that charge Q output only when the CLK set to 10. It is complete explanation. Look at this latch CLK, this is D latch, the other is D latch, DVA. This is the Proteus stimulation. And here our assignment is completed. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.